Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pinkaboo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wallet out of a milk carton. So let's get started. So you can use any milk carton that's about like a quart in size, and all I did was I just ripped open the side seam and the top seam, and if you can try to rip open the bottom. I had difficulty doing that, so I just cut off the bottom. And then once that was done, I just cut off the top part. I used an X-Acto knife at first just to kind of make it thinner, and then I used scissors afterward to really get through the entire thing. After I had done that, then I just got a wipe and wiped it all off to make sure it was clean. And then if you want, you can just leave the milk carton as is, or if you want to, you can paint or glue some fabric onto it just to make your wallet a little bit prettier. What I decided to do is I just went over with a thin coat of paint just to kind of cover up all of the words. So after that was done, as you can see, we kind of just have one long square. So then I turned it upside down so that I could kind of just work on the inside and fold it and make some scoring marks to make sure that the wallet folded where I wanted it to. So as you can see, we just have an opened up square. So I took the first and the second panel and I marked marks halfway, and then after that I just connected the two lines to make one line down the center. And then I took a pair of scissors and I kind of just started scoring the wallet a little bit. So I just kind of made like an indent so that it would fold easier. After doing that, I just once again took my scissors and really rubbed in those creases to make sure that they would not come undone when I was making the wallet. So after I did that, you can see kind of what shape you're going to have. It's going to be in this accordion-like shape. And then the next step is optional, but I went over with some duct tape because I wanted my wallet to be a certain pattern. So I just covered up that in duct tape, and then I left a little bit open on the side. If you're not doing this step, you're either just going to want to glue it or take some clear tape to glue the sides together. So once that is done, you're just going to go ahead and fold it down and make sure it's definitely all creased. And then you're going to take the bottom part and flip it up. And at this point, I realized I forgot that you're going to want to leave one open part above. So you're just going to cut down 3 of the sides and leave one side higher so you'll have a little flap to put over your wallet. But then I basically just glued this inside part right there, and then I folded that and pressed it, and then I just added some Velcro, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Be sure to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post a video. Once again, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.